Meet Tile Slim, the world's thinnest Bluetooth tracker. Tile Slim is as thin as 2 credit cards, which makes it perfect for wallets, pockets, and passports. Attach it to anything. Choose a ringtone with the Tile app. And then rest easy, knowing you can always find your things. Just ring your laptop and find it fast. If it's your phone that you're looking for, press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even when on silent. And if you lose your wallet and it isn't where you last had it, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified when your wallet is found. And when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing wallet, the Tile app will notify you of its most recent location. Tile Slim, the world's thinnest Bluetooth tracker. Get Tile Slim today and never worry about